Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Samantha, Philip's wife, and today I'll be building the Shaker Fireplace wall treatment. Let's head out to the garage and get started. Hey guys, for today's project, we're going to take a 1/2 inch sheet of MDF and we're going to be cutting it into 2.5 inch strips. To do that, we're going to use the miter saw and the table saw, which are right behind me. Okay, so I'm going to go grab our MDF and we'll start cutting. So now that I've cut everything, it's time to head inside and start attaching everything to the wall. Okay, so as you can see, this is the fireplace that we're going to be working on. And I've outlined in pencil exactly where I'm going to nail in the boards. And the reason that I did this is just to make sure that everything is accurate before I just nail things up there, because I don't want to take anything out that I don't have to. So I'm ready to go. I've outlined everything, and now I'm going to go grab the nail gun and start attaching. Well, I got all the nails in, and I'm gonna go ahead and caulk and wood putty, and then I'll paint. Well, as you can see, I finished the fireplace wall. I hope you guys liked coming along on that build with me, and I'd love to hear what you think in the comments below. And if you want to see me in some more videos, smash that thumbs up. Until next time, see you later.